Good morning, students. Yesterday we had studied about formation of abstract nouns. How abstract nouns are formed by adding e, n, c, e. Correct. First one was not e and c. We studied first one was n, e, s, s. Correct. Word like clean will change to cleanliness. Dark will change to darkness. Cold will change to coldness. Yes or not? At least 10 words were there, and I told you to write down those 10 words in your English grammar notebook. Today we are going to we are going to do formation of abstract nouns by adding E, N, C, E, and one more is I, T, Y. We are going to cover at least two today, okay? E, N, it is visible, E, N, C, E, and can you see E, N, C, E, second one, and I, T, Y. E, N, C, E and I, T, Y. And if it is possible, then fourth one also we will do by adding Y and T, Y. Y and T, Y. For second one is what? Formation of abstract nouns by adding formation of abstract noun by adding E, N, C, E. E, N, C, E. Now some words are given in the book. First one is intelligent. Intelligent. Second word which is given in the book is obey. O-B-E-Y. Obey. Okay. Next word which is given here is patient. P-A-T-I-E-N-T. Patient. After that is license. L-I-C-E-N-S-E. License. How many words are there? 4 words are there. Okay. Now, intelligent word is what it is used for the person who is good in studies. He is an intelligent boy. She is an intelligent girl. Correct. And now that intelligent word is what it is. It is an adjective. Correct or not? It tells about the quality of a person. It is an adjective. Then now from adjective we have to change it to abstract noun. Now how we will change it to abstract noun? We are going to remove T and we are going to add CE further because already EN is there. So now intelligent word will change to intelligence. Now INTELLIGENCE. So what this word has changed to? It has changed to intelligence. The next word is obey. Okay. Now we say you should obey to the teacher, or you should obey to the rules of. You should obey to the. You should obey to your parents. You should obey to your teachers. You should obey to elders. Obey means what? तुम्ही सगळे मोठ्या लोकांचं ऐकलं पाहिजे. Those who are bigger than you, you should respect them. You should obey them. So now that is what it tells. It is an activity which you should have in you, or you should inculcate in you. Now we have to add ENCE to that word. So what obey word will change to? Obey word will change to obedience. O-B-E-D-I, and we are going to add E-N-C-E. So obey word will change to which word? It will change to obedience. Can you see? Obedience. The next word which is given on the board is patient. Now you should have patience, correct or not? You should not be so aggressive, you should not be angry, there should be patience in you. So normally we say that child is very patient, huh? He never says anything. Let anyone trouble him, he never gives reply, or he never beats anyone. In classroom you are saying or not? Or your teacher is saying or not? That is what? The boy is patient. And then normally we say, you should have patience, students. Be quiet. Have patience. We will tell you whether holiday is there or not tomorrow. Like these sentences we are using in the school. So the word patient will change to abstract noun. The word which will become is patience. Patient word will change to patience. Now patience is what? It is an abstract noun. It tells about the quality of a person by adding what? By adding ence. Understood? The fourth word which is given here is license. License. Now when we want to change it by adding nece, it will change to licence. License. License. In this way, we have done formation of abstract noun by adding ence. Now we are going to study words formation of abstract noun by adding ity. Ity. The first word which is given in the book is clear. Now we want to change this word clear to abstract noun. Then clear word will change to clarity. We have added ity. Clear word will change to clarity. The next word is pure. 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 It will change to purity. 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 Next is simple. Now what this simple word will change to? By adding ity, it will change to simplicity. Okay. So what answer we will get here? The answer which we will get here is simplicity. We have added ity. Simple, simplicity. Understood? There are some more examples that I will show you in the book. See here. Some I have taken and some are in the book. We will read here. Can you see? Clear, clarity, curious, curiosity, popular, popularity, simple, simplicity, pure, pure, purity, vain, vanity, or you can say vanity. Next one is formation of abstract nouns by adding y and ty. The word beautiful, beautiful is what? Adjective, and we want to change it to abstract noun. So beautiful word will change to abstract noun. It will become what? Beauty. Poor, poverty. Cruel, cruelty. Right? Discover, discovery. Brave, bravery. Novel, novelty. In this way, we are studying which lesson? We are studying formation of abstract nouns. Can you see here? And we have completed first four. NESS, ENCE, ITY, and normal fourth one is Y and TY. Now word beautiful. For word beautiful, when we change it to abstract noun, what we have added to that? TY. Poor, for poor also we have changed it to poverty, abstract noun. Poverty, TY. There also TY. Cruel, cruelty. CRUELTY. TY is added. Discover, for discover only Y is added. DISCOVERY. Only Y is added. Brave, for brave also only Y is added. BRAVE, brave. BRAVERY, bravery. Novel, NOVEL, novel. NOVELTY. For novel word, what is added? TY is added. What is your homework now? You have to write down this now. Formation of abstract nouns by adding ENCE. Write down this 4 and again write down same thing. Formation of abstract nouns by adding ITY. 3 are written here and more 3 are there in the book. You can see it in video, or I will send you this photo today. Okay, remaining part of the lesson, there is fifth, sixth, seventh, more 6 are there. How abstract nouns are formed by adding cy, by adding ment, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.